Welcome to the product demonstration of Smart Zone based vehicle speed control system based on RF. So RF means radio frequency. So in this product we are using 12 volts 1 battery, charging circuit and RF receiver, L293D, PIC microcontroller and LCD display, and also using ultrasonic sensor. So the main aim of this product is to control the speed whenever in a hospital zone and the school zone. So the hospital zone and school zone will be based on the RF transmitters. So each radio frequency is attached to the hospital side and school side. So we are providing the power supply for the RF transmitters by this 9 volts of battery, and also here we can see another transmitter. So one is placed for the hospital, another one placed for the school. So we have to give the power supply for both one. Now we need to on this power supply. So we can see so if we on the power supply, it will show RF zone vehicle speed control. It will show the display and also position. So if I press this one, it will show hospital zone. So here we can see the normal is gone, it is showing hospital zone. So we can see the speed of this motor also. If the hospital zone will be no, then it will be start a normal position, and speed of this robot will be high. Now I am using for the school zone, so we need to press the upper button. So now we can see it is displaying the school zone, and we can see the speed of this robot. In this way it will be works. So RF transmitter will transmit the radio frequency through this antenna, and here we can see RF receiver have an antenna. This antenna will be receive the RF signal. That RF signal will be given to this PIC microcontroller. At the same time, for the hospital zone also, it will have an antenna. It will transmit the radio frequency to RF receiver. The receiver receive the signal, and also it will send a signal to the microcontroller. In microcontroller, we program that how if any RF signal is received by RF receiver, then we have to speed down the motor. So even that way we will program the robot. And also here we can see there is an ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor have a two functions. So it will have a trigger and another one is echo. So trigger will trigger the ultrasonic signals. So based on the signals, if any object will be detected by the ultrasonic signal, that ultrasonic signal will be ultrasonic signals will be have a reverse waves. The reverse waves will be collected by the echo. The echo signal will be given to the PIC microcontroller. Then automatically robot will be stopped. So we can see here. So we can see the distance of the robot also, object also. So here we can see 15, and now I am increasing my hand. So we can see if it is less than 40, then it automatically stop. If it is more than 40, then automatically it will stop. And also we are giving the power supply for the PIC microcontroller using L293D IC. So we will give the power supply from 12 volts 1 amp battery to L293D. So L293D have a regulator which downs 12 volts DC power supply to 5 volts of DC. That 5 volts of DC will be given to this PIC microcontroller. So we have to give the 5 volts of power supply for the PIC microcontroller. So it will work on only 5 volts. It doesn't work on the more than 5 volts or less than 5 volts. Now I will explain charging circuit of this battery. So for the charging circuit, we are using a step-down transformer and a rectifier. So here we can see rectifier. So this is a step-down transformer. So we are giving the input of this step down transformer is 230 volts power supply through this power cable. So it will step down up to 9 volts. So here we can see 909, which means 9 volts of AC power supply. It is step down side, and that 9 volts will be given to the bridge rectifier. So bridge rectifier will convert AC to DC. That we have in capacitor, so the 9 volts of converted DC will be become a 12 volts of DC. So that 12 volts of DC will be boosted by this capacitor. Now I am giving the power supply. The converted DC will be given to the 12 volts 1 amp battery. Then it will be charged. So each battery have a rating of 4 volts 1 amp battery. So if we add the batteries in a series, the voltage become a 12, and ampere of this battery is 1 amp. That 1 amp will be equal to the all batteries. So I will show you in demo in the floor. So we can see the speed is reduced. So we can see the obstacle is detected. That's why it will be stopped. It is for hospital and it is for school. So we can see the object is detected by the ultrasound sensor. That's why it will be stopped. In this way, this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.